Hello, today I want to talk about this project. So this project is about food. The reason I want to do this project is when I was working in my previous company, so I find out there's no good restaurant to eat in my lunchtime, and all my colleagues have same feeling. They also want to find some good restaurant nearby. So I want to help people to find some restaurant easier. And I find out the people who want to find a restaurant is always the organizer. So my object of this project is help organizer to put less effort to organize a meal. Because I have no understanding of this project, so I want to know the detail of the whole process. I interviewed 3 people and ask them their most experience of organizing a meal, and I write down all the important phase and ask them to do emphasis map in each phase. And the result is really different. In order to have clearly understanding of them, I did a user journey to understanding their difference, and I have some assumption. And in order to understand what affect them is the nationality or the gender or the character or the age or something. So I did a focus group. So I recruit 4 people from 4 different countries and ask them 5 questions. Each question give them 3 to 5 minutes to write down their answer, and after that they present their answer and discuss together. So in order to have our persona in a quantitative way, I also did a survey and I analyzed the result together, so I get the persona. We have 4 type of persona in this project, and I have a broad understanding of them. But you know the organizing meal is very complicated. So I did a diary study of my persona. I want to know the detail of them. I also did some in this way. I also do some research, and I read many articles. I want to have more understanding of this area. So finally I learned something from recommendation, and also the wireframe. This is a wireframe, and I also do the usability test. So the save function is for people who want to book the restaurant very quickly. They already have some routine restaurant want to book, so it's very easier for them to book just in a very big car interface, because it's a new app, so it's okay. And in this case they can have a very good experience and very easy to press. And the second function is recommendation, because all of my interviewee, they don't believe the rate of the review. So how can they believe the rate of the review? Maybe it will be more trustful if this is their friend's review. And based on the article research, I can just highlight some keywords of the review. And the third one is my function, because all of my organizing meal is very complicated. For example, if you want to organize a birthday party for friends, birthday meal from friends, and you need to not only need to book the restaurant, but also need to book the activity place, book the cake, and you also need to have somebody to take the cake. And all of these things you don't want the birthday person know, so it's very complicated. And the last one is the compare function. It's like sometimes the organizer want to post the restaurant in the group chat, but there's nobody reply. Why? Because the group member, firstly, the information of the restaurant is very complicated. The group member don't want to read. Second, the group member know the organizer have already put many effort in it. They don't want to, so the group member don't want to give too many their opinion to make the organizer more exhausting. But in this case, we make the campaign more visualized. So people, in this case, the team member can easily talk about their opinion, and the organizer can understanding why they say that and do some improve. Okay, thank you.